The Nike A1 returns for Holiday 2025 with a premium sail and metallic gold edition that blends sport and style. Cream-toned uppers create a clean foundation, while metallic gold accents shine across the swoosh, lace tips, midsole shank, and tongue insignias, adding bold contrast. At the heel, embroidered Asia branding directly honors WNBA champion Asia Wilson of the Las Vegas Aces, further personalizing the silhouette. A sculpted midsole and translucent elements refine the shoe, balancing performance function with off-court elegance. Alongside the sneakers, Nike is set to release a Rings t-shirt that celebrates Wilson's 2 championship titles, adding another layer of significance to the launch. With its thoughtful detailing, luxury-inspired finishes, and cultural tie-in, the Nike A1 sail and metallic gold delivers a polished, celebratory release. Expect availability through Nike.com and select retailers during the holiday 2025 season.